Wow. This is totally unexpected.
This is unexpected.
The story of the leaked DM that are appearing on Sewikno Instagram. Apparently it has been reported, but it has not yet been taken down. So a number of women that have been leaked on that video chat. First, there is Shashu, there is Kiki Badas, there is Anne Suchari, there is also the steamy one, Prophetess Adasa. Anyway, now, I was so suspicious to whether who could have leaked this. And I am pretty sure with this video, you can tell that it is Passion Java who is trying to fight Levels battles. Because, Passion Java and Levels, they come from far. They've been working together, during the time of COVID. And they've been buddies. I remember Night of Wonder. Levels ndianga ari kufranda achitodi aito sampler mama songs during the time yaitwa when the Night of Wonders was happening. I want you to watch this video and tell me that this is not Passion Java. And we know kuti kana pane anyone ane history kuyeka ma Instagram accounts the Passion Java. Saka I can see the hand ya Passion Java in this. Watch this video and tell me what you think.
Sasa mbaizwe ne madinga no pamba ite aiwa ini ndiri mwana wa iti hivi. Isana Passion trana tu aba tisi vanhu kuti ungazofamba uchinyederwa no Brixons ababatwi wana iti hakuna munhu asingabatwa. Wana wa id ndi wangu Shoni Mnangagwa, Collins Mnangagwa na Junior id Junior. Do wana wa Mnangagwa ni wamwe but watinoziva face yenyika kuwana ndiwo vanhu kutaura 3 sazoda kubhiliviswa nevanhu kana kuti wadhiri chinzano ndiri mwana waidini masabatanidzire ed basi. Ed president vane moyo wakanaka, is open to everyone, every Zimbabwean. Tese tiri vana vaed in one fact ndeyekuti Zimbabwe yese baba i1, baba weZimbabwe i1, baba weZimbabwe the president ed Mnangagwa. Ndo patinopinda sewana vamwe wese ausanyeberwewo shoko wamari uchinzi ndokuendesa kuna Mudhara tokuisa nyaya dzenyu kuna Mudhara. Iwe mwana wa Mudhara ndiwa 300